Guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve problem of the day in Geeks for Geeks. Guys, today's problem is convert array into zigzag fashion. Given an array of distinct elements of size n, the task to rearrange the here one of the main point in the question is the elements are in distinct order. Rearrange the elements of the array in zigzag fashion so that the converted array should be in the following form. We have to convert the whole array in the form such that ARR of 0 is less than ARR of 1, ARR 1 is greater than ARR of 2, ARR of 2 is lesser than ARR of 3, ARR of 3 is greater than ARR of 4, ARR of n minus 2 is greater than ARR of n minus 1, and ARR of n minus 1 is greater than or equal greater than ARR n. Modify the given array only if your transformation is correct. The output will print output will be 1, else the output will be 0. Here guys, observe, for n is n is equal to 7 for this array, he got the output this. So we have to arrange this. Every array we can form. For every array we get the correct answer. We can change, modify this to form if they are in all are distinct element. Guys, here this question is asked in Paytm, Amazon and Adobe. Here guys, observe one thing. Let's take this test case. Guys, here observe here. If you are taking this test case, let's take this test case. Error of if you suppose for some 4378621. So 43716 what's 216 437 right? uh, Here 8621. Here observe guys, 4378621. Okay guys, here observe one thing. If it is we have to convert the array whole array. Here whole array in the form of error of 0 is less than error of 1 and error of 1 is greater than error of 2. Like this fashion we have to convert. Observe guys, this is observe here. What I am doing is error of 0 for odd, for if it is at even index, right? Here it is at even index, here it is even index. So guys, here even index, I am swapping these two, so it become 4 3 no 4378621. In next case it should be greater than this number, 4734861. In next so this is valid. Now this is okay. Now for it is at even index, it is at odd index, it is also okay, but it is not okay. It is at even index, but it should be here, it should be here. So now 3748261. Guys, here observing, this is our final answer. So guys, here we are converted error of 0 is less than error of 1, error of 1 is less than error of 2. Sir, you so what I am doing is I will show you coding part now. Here for int I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Here guys, I plus plus if I percentage 2, if I percentage 2 is means I modulo 2, sorry, if I modulo 2 is less than error of I modulo 2, it is a even index, then what we have to do, error of I is greater than error of I plus 1, then I am swapping those two index. It should be lesser than, right? At even index, check here at even index it should be lesser. If it is greater, I am swapping error of I comma error of I plus 1. Here guys, observe one thing. Here else, in else case what I am doing is, if error of I is, if it is odd, at odd case it should be greater than next element, at even case it should be lesser than next element. Observe this, at odd case it should be lesser than greater element, at even case it should be greater than next element. If it is lesser, then I am swapping. Swapping means I am interchanging those two values, error of I comma error of I plus 1. Here guys, I am submitting this code. Yeah, it's for sample test case, it's submitted successfully. I am doing the final submission now. Yes guys, it's done. I will give Java and JavaScript code in my description. If you have any doubts, please ask me. But one thing I want to say here, you may get this doubt, right? Like what, for suppose, so when we am swapping, when I am here, I am swapping error of, if it is, for suppose, the 437, right? Here we swapped with this. For suppose x is less than x comma y comma z, we are swapped this with this. So 3 4. Now again we are swapped. Here this order never, if you swap this never become, this is never violated. This never violated, because if here we swapped here because this is lesser than this number, this is lesser than this number, so we swapped. So 3 is lesser than 4. Again we are swapped, this is greater than this element. So if x is less than y and y is less than z, then x is automatically less than z. This thing you have to, this never violate previous things, it never violate previous orders, because x is less than y is less than n, x is automatically previous orders. Okay guys, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.